Okay, it's been, I think, maybe 4 hours now since I've been caught out here. I have no idea where I am. I'm stuck in the middle of the woods, and I keep hearing these noises, and it's nothing that I've ever heard before. It's a lot like a long. Keep hearing things walking around too behind me. See if I can see anything behind me. Yeah, I'm totally stuck. Thought I heard something.
Chan!
What? I'm trying to do this video.
I need a key to your car.
Give me a second. Hang on. So I'm totally lost and I hear these noises. Hang on. You didn't hear that?
You gonna hurry up?
I know. Okay, hang on.